Alright guys, so I'm sure you can lock your iPhone to a single app. So just for example, if you give your phone to someone, they can only stay within that one app. They can't go through all your other stuff. To do this is pretty simple. Just open up your settings. Press on accessibility. Scroll down to guided access. Just turn on guided access. Press on passcode settings. Set passcode. Just go and set your passcode. Re-enter it. Alright, so whichever app you want to use, go open it. To start this, you're going to triple press the side button. This brings up guided access. To adjust the settings, you can press options. You can turn off touch, for example, or set a time limit. To start guided access, press start. Alright, so you see now I cannot leave the app. To exit guided access, you're going to triple press the side button. Put in your passcode. And yeah, press send. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope this helped out.